So Vikings, let's look at how to assemble the worm gear system. This is the upper belt anchor point. This is the rod support. To make everything easy to assemble, I pre-assemble these guys as I do with the worm gear. Just with an M5 inside, so I'm gonna push that out with the rod, the connecting rod, later. So to place these brackets correct, there you can measure from the rear of the bracket to the inside of the extrusion should be 225 millimeters. Or you can print this guide spacer and just add it here and place the bracket where it ends. So that's one solution. Let's have a look at the other side. It should be like this: 221 from the back of the bracket to the inside of the frame, 241 to the outside of the frame and to the back of the rear of the bracket. So then you can just insert your favorite T-nut. You can take off the quarter cubes if you forgot to insert them. Leave these guys in place and insert the nuts, as I had to do myself. And we have this guy. There's a notch here, should be in the center of this extrusion. So 250 from the inside to the middle. The notch should be on the middle of the extrusion. So I don't know if you can see the notch here. It's a little bit dark. Yeah, 250. Half the extrusion, the profile. So then you should be ready to assemble or slide in the rod and to start adding the belts. So I'm going to show you how to add the belts. So that's it for now.